I'm here in Orlando Avenue in Mosman in front of one of the most exciting properties I have seen for a very long time. Let's take a look around and I'll show you why. High ornate ceilings, wonderful oversized rooms, original fireplaces and fabulous verandas are just some of a long list of sought after features. The home offers unlimited potential to renovate, extend and create a showcase home. Sitting on 429 square metres of near level land, there is plenty of room to extend and add a pool. Perfectly located in a quiet, sought-after street, close to cafes, shops, schools and fabulous harbourside walks. Well, there you have it. No styling, no flowers, no bread in the oven. Just a gracious home waiting for a new family to call it their own. I look forward to showing you through very soon.